Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove phone number from your YouTube channel. In order to remove your phone number from YouTube channel, you'll have to do it from the Google app. So basically YouTube account and Google account are same. So what you need to do is, in order to remove your phone number, you can go ahead and remove your phone number from Google. So basically when you remove a phone number from YouTube, it means you're removing your phone number from Google. So along with that, all of the account that the particular phone number is associated will be removed permanently. Now to begin with, go ahead and launch to your YouTube account, and once you're logged in, tap the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. This is going to take you to the official home page. Tap the gear icon from the top right hand side. Now go to accounts, select the particular account. Once again, click on manage account, which is located right at the bottom. Once you've done that, once again go ahead and select the account and click Google account. After that, it's going to take you to the Google security page, and here you'll need to go ahead and tap on personal details. In order to remove your phone number, go to the contact info page, and here you can see phone number. So tap the phone number button, and next page, what you'll have to do is you can either edit the phone number, that is you can either change the phone number, or to simply remove it, tap the arrow icon from the top next to the phone number and press the bin icon from the top right hand side. As soon as you do that, the phone number will be removed from your YouTube channel. So in this way you can remove your phone number. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.